Alright guys, this is our 2018 Caravan in our showroom here. I'm just going to go over with you how the Stow Go seats work. So for the middle seats here, you got to make sure that the front seats are up all the way so you can open the floor. Okay, now that the front seats are moved, see the floor there, you lift that tab, pull the floor up, like that. So it's sitting like that. Make sure the armrests are up, and there's a little lever there, right there. And then just sits in there. Fold the flooring back down over it. And there's the front one stowed. All that room that opens up from it. And then the back, same idea. They're numbered. So 1 being the headrest. That's already down. 2 folds the seat. And 3 will unlock that seat so you can grab number 4 and pull it down. There you go. All that room opens up. These will all fold 100% into the floor. You can fit a complete sheet of drywall in here, or plywood, if that's what you do. There's also one more really cool thing that I want to show you. So to unfold it, you just do the complete opposite. You go backwards. 4 lifts it. 2, unlock that. There you go. Seats back up. Another really neat thing that this can do, the thing I wanted to show you, it's called tailgate seating. So if you pull number 3 tab, that'll unlock the seat. Seat will drop down like that. You can sit there, watch your kids play soccer, watch a movie in the back, do whatever you wish to do with it. So that's some of the cool things that you can do with the Caravan. Another really handy thing that you can do is under the flooring when the seats are up. There's a lot of storage space. So you can use under the floor for extra storage on both sides. So yeah, really cool. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something from it. Any questions, feel free to give me a call or email. Thanks guys.